The topic of this video is from Unit 4B on calculating the 5-number summary and constructing box and whisker plots. The 5-number summary consists of the following 5 numbers. The first number is the minimum or lowest value. Q1 is the first quartile. Now it is the median of the lower half of your data. The third number is the median of the entire data set. The fourth number is Q3, or the third quartile, and it is the median of the upper half. The fifth number is the maximum, or the highest value. So the 5-number summary is just a set of 5 numbers that describes your data set. Always put your data in numerical order first before finding the 5-number summary. Now this data, given in the example, represent the number of customers in line at a local department store at 15-minute intervals for a certain period of time. We're going to calculate the 5-number summary. So we first of all put the data in numerical order. Now we will need 5 numbers to describe this data set. Okay, we're going to calculate the minimum, Q1, the median, Q3, and the maximum. Now since the data is in order, it's easy to tell that the minimum is 1 and the maximum is 13. Now the median is the number that falls in the middle. Since we have 9 data points, there is one that falls exactly in the middle, and that is the 8. Now it is important that you calculate the median first, because that divides your data set into the lower and upper halves. So we have the lower half and the upper half, which will help us find Q1 and Q3. Now for Q1, you want to find the median of the lower half. Now the lower half contains 4 numbers, so we will have to find the average of the 2 middle numbers. So in this case, that's the average of the 2 and the 5, which gives me Q1 value of 3.5. Now for Q3, the median of the upper half, once again we have 4 data values, so we have to find the average of the middle 2. So that's an average of 11.5. So your 5-number summary consists of the numbers 1, 3.5, 8, 11.5, and 13. Now let's find the box and whisker plot for the previous example. Now a box and whisker plot is just a graphical representation of the 5-number summary. So we have to have the 5-number summary first before we create the box and whisker plot. So from the previous example, our 5-number summary was 1, 3.5, 8, 11.5, and 13. Now notice we've made a horizontal axis scaled by 2's, starting from the minimum of 1 to a maximum of 13, and we labeled the axis as what these numbers represent, the number of customers in line. Now we're going to make vertical marks above each one of the numbers in the 5-number summary. A mark above the 1, above 3.5, above 8, above 11.5, and above 13. Now we're going to make a box around the middle 3 numbers. That's around Q1, the median, and Q3. Now notice the box goes around the middle 3 numbers. Now the whiskers come in when we make a horizontal line starting at the minimum all the way through the maximum. So that is what your box and whisker plot looks like for the given 5-number summary.